Hey, Bird.
Okay, don't make yourself.
Mommy's slow.
I'm not shooting. I'm just videotaping.
Oh, I didn't realize you were videotaping. I don't think you're videotaping because I don't see anything blinking.
It is. It's going. What's the date today? 10, 15.
15th.
15 Şubat. Akşamüstü Erik geldi, biraz snack atıştırıyor.
Come on, little bird.
Lila da little bird'lik yapıyor. Erik, don't
You
make
still have
yourself.
one in there? Yeah,
You're checking if she has another one. Canilik yapmıyormuş, kızın ağzını daha yutmamış mı diye bakıyormuş.
Olive pit? Souped
Şimdi kamerayı gördüğü için. It's not exciting stuff. She's having her veggie puffs.
Yes. Gimme. There I go. See, I don't know what you're eating. What you're giving me isn't too good.
You can give her a little cheese if you want. The manchego cheese, yeah. But a little because it's hard. Yeah, that's a big one, don't give her.
Look at that. That's not a veggie puff.
İşte böyle yiyor küçük. Şimdi ağzına peynir
That's
aldı
not a
sert.
veggie puff.
But she's eating, right?
Yeah, she'll suck on it a while.
Okay.
She's going on it.
Keep an eye on her. Hadi bye bye.